Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image placeholder to Google Slides. I'll be walking through this on the web version. First, head to slides.google.com and open an existing presentation or create a new one. Once your presentation loads, you'll see the editing view with your slides down the left side. Now here's the key thing. Image placeholders can only be added through the theme builder, not directly on regular slides. So click on View in the top menu bar, then select Theme Builder from the drop-down. The screen will change to show your slides against a dark background with thumbnails on the left. That's how you know you're in the theme builder. Next, you need to pick which layout you want to edit. Click on one of the layout thumbnails in the left sidebar. If you want to create a completely new layout, right-click in that sidebar and select New Layout. The layout you choose will appear in full view on the right side. The first slide at the very top is the theme slide, which affects all your slides. The layouts below it only affect slides using that specific layout. Now let's add the placeholder. Click Insert in the menu at the top, then Placeholder, then Image Placeholder. You'll see three shape options pop up: rectangle, rounded rectangle, and oval. Pick whichever shape you want. The shape you choose here determines how images will be masked when someone inserts them later. Once you've chosen your shape, your cursor will change. Click and drag on the slide to draw the placeholder wherever you want it and at whatever size you need. A placeholder box will appear with an image icon inside. You can resize or move it around after you've drawn it if you need to adjust the position. When you're done, click the X button in the top right corner to close the theme builder. That takes you back to normal editing mode, and your changes save automatically. If you created a new layout, you'll need to apply it to a slide. Select the slide you want to use, then click Slide in the menu, choose Apply Layout, and pick your custom layout from the list. If you edited an existing layout, any slides already using that layout will update automatically. When you or someone else uses a slide with this layout, they can click directly on the placeholder to insert an image. The image will automatically fit the shape you chose: rectangle, rounded rectangle, or oval. The placeholder appears to users as a box labeled Replace Image, so it's obvious where the image should go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.